Hello my dear friends, I am Sri Arjun. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about Sat technology and artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the accumulation of information, analyzing it and projecting it the way we want. Right? Not more than that. It is the intellect based on information just to that extent, and that simple thing is overpowering us today. See, our smartphone are smarter than us. They have already overpowered us, right? We cannot imagine a single day without the smartphone. So they are more than the human being. Now, what will be the education of the future? Our present day education is totally information based. They cannot think the education without information. But Google is better, smarter than you. It knows everything, whatever you want, you know. Now the students are very proud and feel very egoistic. They are feeling their ego. Yeah, I know what is up there. 4 light years far away from here, there is that planet is there. I know its name, its dimension, its depth and scale. I know everything. What is the use of that kind of education? Because Google knows better than you. So in every way, artificial intelligence is going to rule you in near future. We the educational systems are only, we the humanity is only are concerned about our intellect. But it is the very, very tiny faculty, very small faculty of the vast intelligence. Intelligence has many layers and many dimensions. It has many depth and scale. If we don't explore it, start exploring it now, then the downfall of humanity is sure. Nobody can stop it. So, my dear friends, it is the right time to understand the depth and scale of human intelligence, where intellect is a very tiny small part. So don't attach too much to your intellect. See the bigger prospect of life so that we can be the master of artificial intelligence. Not let the artificial intelligence to rule you in the near future. So such technology is that technology which can help you to explore the different dimensions, different layers of the vast intelligence with depth and scale. So we need your participation. We unitedly, we jointly, we can explore it. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that I can, every day I am uploading new video so that you can get all my videos, understand what is the depth and scale of the vast intelligence, and you can understand the different dimension of the consciousness. You can join, you can learn, and then you can apply it the way you want. Do take care of yourself. See you soon.